Good morning to all. Myself Harmia. I am from class 9. Today I would explain about first part of the future tense. The first part of the future tense is simple future. The simple future tense are used for an action that will occur in the future. ఒక పనిని ఫ్యూచర్ లో చేస్తే దానిని సింపుల్ ఫ్యూచర్ అంటారు. సింపుల్ గా చెప్పాలంటే ఫ్యూచర్ లో జరిగినవన్నీ సింపుల్ ఫ్యూచర్ కింద వస్తాయి. The past structure of simple future is negative structure, pronoun changing of I, we shall, he, she, it, you, they, will. Clue words. Example. This sentence, they is subject, play is V1, cricket is object, next here is clue word. When this type of clue words come in a sentence, we have to say that simple future. Thank you.
Good morning to all. My name is Ashni. I am from 9th class. Today I am explaining about future continuous. Future continuous is the second part of the future tense. Future continuous is also known as the future progressive tense. Future continuous tense is represent of continuous action will happen in the future. ఈ టైంకి రేపు ఏం జరుగుతుందని చెప్పడమే ఫ్యూచర్ కంటిన్యూస్ అని అంటారు. దీని యొక్క పాజిటివ్ స్ట్రక్చర్ negative structure, pronoun changing, I, we shall, he, she, it, you, they, will be. Clue words. At this time, tomorrow, etc. For example, I subject shall be according to the structure, going V4, Hyderabad object, at this time next week according to the clue word. When this type of clue words will come in a sentence is also known as the future continuous. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Myself Kirti from 9th class. Today I am going to explain about third part of the future time. The third part of the future time is future perfect. Future perfect means that action that will completed in specific future time is known as future perfect. In Telugu, ఫ్యూచర్ లో ఒక యాక్షన్ పర్టికులర్ టైం కి కంప్లీట్ అయిపోతే దాన్ని ఫ్యూచర్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ అంటారు. పాజిటివ్ స్ట్రక్చర్, నెగటివ్ స్ట్రక్చర్, ప్రొనౌన్ చేంజింగ్ సార్. క్లూ వర్డ్ సార్. You will have delivered the letter by this time tomorrow. You is subject, will have according to the structure, delivered V3, This letter object, these type of clue words come in any sentence means it is said to be known as a future perfect. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. I am Maithili from class 9. Today I will say about future perfect continuous tense. It is the fourth tense in the future. The action starts in the future and ends in the future is known as future perfect continuous. ఒక యాక్షన్ ఫ్యూచర్ లో స్టార్ట్ అయిన ఫ్యూచర్ లో ఎండ్ అయితే దాన్ని ఫ్యూచర్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్ అంటారు. పాజిటివ్ స్ట్రక్చర్. నెగటివ్ స్ట్రక్చర్. Pronouns changing are I, be, shall have, will have been. Clue words. For example, the subject will have been structure, flying before, London object, by this time clue words. The subject will have structure, object, London, by this time tomorrow clue words. Thank you. Clue words come in a sentence called as future perfect continuous tense. Thank you.